Many Americans remember a time when family dinners meant home-cooked meals made from fresh ingredients, where the kitchen was a hub of activity and the smell of roasting meat or baking bread filled the house. Back then, it wasn't uncommon for parents to spend hours preparing a meal, and the whole family would sit down together at the table to enjoy it. Today, family meals are often quick, processed, or takeout, with a greater reliance on convenience foods. What happened to the meals that once brought families together? In this video, we'll compare how American eating habits have changed over the years. We'll dive into the era of home-cooked meals made from scratch and how the rise of processed foods, fast food chains, and modern technology has reshaped how we eat today. From fresh, seasonal vegetables to the modern microwave dinner, the shift has been nothing short of dramatic. For many Americans growing up in the mid-20th century, mealtime was an event. Parents would carefully plan and prepare meals from scratch, often based on what was in season or locally available. There was a focus on fresh ingredients, meats from the butcher, vegetables from the garden, and grains from local mills. Dishes like pot roast, homemade soup, and casseroles were staples of family dinners. These meals were nourishing, filling, and made with love, and they served as a time for families to come together, share stories, and bond. The sound of chopping vegetables, sizzling pans, and the aroma of freshly baked bread wafting through the house created an atmosphere of comfort and connection. Fast forward to today, and the concept of preparing meals from scratch has become less common for many families. The rise of processed foods, microwave dinners, and fast food chains has revolutionized the way we eat. Meals that once took hours to prepare now take only minutes. Prepackaged salads, frozen pizzas, and ready-to-eat meals are staples in modern households, providing convenience but often sacrificing quality and nutritional value. Technology has played a significant role in this shift, with food delivery apps and meal kits offering an even faster route to dinner. Back in the day, people took pride in knowing where their food came from. Many families grew their own vegetables in backyard gardens, and trips to the local farmers market were common. In smaller towns, it was common for the butcher, baker, and farmer to be well-known figures. Meals were often planned based on what was available locally, making fresh ingredients a priority. The kitchen was filled with the sounds of chopping, stirring, and simmering as families created meals from raw, whole foods. The dinner table wasn't just about food, it was about connection, tradition, and shared experiences. Today, convenience has taken precedence. Many families now rely on supermarket aisles full of prepackaged meals, frozen foods, and pre-cooked ingredients. Instead of picking fresh produce from a garden or farmer's market, people turn to frozen vegetables and boxed meals. Fast food chains, with their ability to deliver meals in minutes, have become a central part of daily life for many Americans. While the convenience is undeniable, it comes at the cost of both quality and the social aspect of mealtime. The rise of fast food chains in the 1950s marked a significant turning point in American eating habits. Brands like McDonald's and Burger King began to revolutionize the way people ate. With drive-through windows, quick service, and affordable pricing, fast food became a symbol of convenience and modernity. People no longer had to spend hours preparing meals. Instead, they could pick up dinner on their way home from work. This shift was followed by the introduction of frozen meals in the 1960s, such as TV dinners, which offered even more convenience, allowing families to heat and eat without ever stepping into a kitchen. In the 2000s, the advent of smartphones and food delivery apps like Uber Eats and DoorDash changed the landscape even further. Now, getting a meal delivered to your door was as easy as a few taps on a phone. As a result, home-cooked meals became even less common, and the act of cooking for the family started to feel like a thing of the past. One of the most significant changes in eating habits is the shift from family dinners around the table to eating in front of screens. Once a cherished time for families to bond, mealtime has become more of a quick, functional necessity. People are busy, and many families struggle to find the time to sit together for a homemade meal. Instead, they grab a quick bite from the fast food restaurant, heat up frozen dinners, or order takeout from an app. The slow, methodical process of cooking and sharing a meal has been replaced with the speed and convenience of modern food culture. While convenience has made life easier, it's hard not to wonder if something has been lost in the process. Has the communal, emotional experience of eating together at the dinner table become a thing of the past? Are we sacrificing the health benefits and emotional bonds of home-cooked meals for convenience? Looking back, it's clear that what we eat and how we eat has dramatically changed. Meals that once took hours to prepare have been replaced by instant gratification, with fast food, processed meals, and delivery services becoming the norm. Technology has made food easier to access, but it has also made us more disconnected from the process of cooking and sharing meals. In many ways, the family dinner has been replaced by solitary meals in front of screens or quick meals on the go. While technology has made life easier, it's important to reflect on what we've lost in the process. The joy of cooking a meal from scratch, the connection it brought to family, and the nutrition that came from fresh, whole ingredients are things we can't get back from a frozen dinner. As we move forward, we must find a balance between convenience and the values of family, tradition, and health. As we reflect on how our food culture has evolved, we want to hear from you. How did your childhood meals differ from those of today? Were family dinners a regular part of your upbringing? Do you think we've lost something in the convenience-driven world of food we live in now? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue exploring how American life has changed over the years, don't forget to subscribe to Adrian Brick's Years for more insightful videos. Let's keep the conversation going and share our memories of food and family. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.